This product review: Nespresso, Inissia, and Aeroccino 3. This is the box. Paper. This one, Discovery, Nespresso, and this is Aeroccino 3. So this is how to set up, and this just came in the box. Espresso, I already drink about 3, 4, yeah. Refill from Amazon. It's a 120 cup inside. It's original Nespresso cup with this as a flavor. It costs about 53 cents. To make the coffee, very simple. Just open this one in the back, this one, and then put the water. Close it. For milk, just open up. See, it has, you see, you can see there, there's like a mark which you can barely see it. Where is the milk level is. So let's start make coffee. Okay, put this one inside like that. So I'm using the big cup here. So like that, and then I just need a little bit milk, so I just put about that much. Close it and press this button. For this one, you press like this until secure, and then see this blinking. It means it's not ready yet, so you just wait until it's a solid green. By the way, this is making the foam. So making some latte. So this is a solid green. So this is like full size, just regular coffee. This is an espresso. So I press this button. I want an espresso. So. This one shot espresso. It's not much, but it's a good size. It's enough. You wanna get 2 shots or 3 shots, depending on how you want it. But I just wanted this one. It's late night, so I don't wanna too strong. So I'll just wait for this one. Nespresso. This is the long. It's Nespresso there. So it's already turned off. It means it's ready. So what we do, just open up this one, take it out. You can like to use this ice cream scoop. Scoop this one. No, my mug is big, but I like it. So this is if you want to make cappuccino, but right now it's late night, so I want to make a latte. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.